Sure. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Jeff Marks from Scatterlight Studios, and I'm demonstrating the Nokia Video Director app. When you arrive in the app, the first thing you want to do is make a new video. So you click on that and give your video a name, and it takes you through some simple steps in which to make your video. It brings up your entire video library. These are all your clips, so you simply choose which clips you want to add to your video just by swiping them, and then you see they appear in the timeline. Then you click next, and it takes you to set your style of music. So you have a number of different preset styles you can choose from, and each style has additional mood options, so you can customize them even further. So, for example, you could choose the vintage style with the Technicolor mood. And each style also has a music cue associated with it, or you can select any music cue you want from your library. And then you can customize the level of the music here. And finally, you add an introductory title and an end title if you would like. And then you hit preview. And so in 3 easy steps, you've just built the video.
And how long does rendering take? Say
it depends.
A 5-minute video.
It depends on what styles you've chosen and what quality you're rendering at. If you're rendering full 1080p, it's going to take a lot longer than if you're rendering a low resolution video. And it depends how many cues you've selected and so forth.
Yeah.
So in this case, we only have 2 clips, but it's set right now in high resolution mode. I should have dialed it back for you.
Well, actually, it's still pretty fast, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's almost done with that little. So now it's rendered, and you have your preview.
And what can you do with the video in terms of sharing? And
well, right now it's only set up to share right now via email, but my understanding is they'll be adding additional sharing options shortly. But it also, when you create the video, it's saved to your device, and then of course you could then upload it to anything from there as well. So from within the app right now, it only gives you certain options. So here's where you choose your final render of what quality you want it at, and you can even choose your own frame rate or resolution if you like. And then once you save the final version, you're able to share it. But once you've created that basic version, if you want to further customize it, you can come in here. And for example, let's say you want to reorder the clips. You just drag them, reorder them. Or if you want to trim the clip, maybe you want to show this section of the clip. Oops, I'm sorry. You go into, back to customize. Let's say you want to trim the clip so you're showing this part of the clip here. So you can set your in and out point, and then of course you can adjust the volume levels for this independent clip as well.
And add captions on the video.
And yes, you can, and then of course you can add a caption to each clip and a sub caption.
That's pretty impressive. I think, especially for Windows RT, I don't think there's any other app like that at the minute.
And it gives you a lot of advanced features, but it also is really easy to use. So anyone from a small child to maybe your grandmother could make a video.
Yeah. And sorry, you mentioned about sharing from the phone.
Yeah, and then you have the ability to transfer. If you shoot video on your phone using the NFC, you can. There's a companion app, Video Director companion app, and you just go into transfer mode. And then what you're going to do, and let me back up so you can see, you have to bring it up in, well, I have to wait, I'm sorry, wait till it's done rendering here.
Can you show me that acronym in time?
Yeah, so I mean this app is designed, on the phone, is designed simply for shooting video and transferring it to the app. So you can go into video shooting mode here, where then you're just shooting with the camera app. But once you've shot your videos, then you have your camera roll here, and then you can transfer them directly to the Nokia Director app on the tablet for ending. And so let me take you to that here. So if you come back out to the main menu and go into transfer mode, and then we should be able to just line these up with the NFC chip.
Can I just see what... Okay, perfect. And it can take video from your whole video, your camera roll. You don't have to record the video in the app.
No, you don't. You can do any video that is on your tablet. Whether you could shoot it with a different phone, or a professional video camera, even, or any device you want.
Yeah.
And then as long as it's in the library on that tablet, you'll be able to use it.
And the output is MP4.
It uses MP4s natively, but I don't know what other format it supports. But
And what does it output? MP4s?
MP4, yes, yeah.
Right. Thank you. That's been very good.
Yep.